cards above, link down below. And so they're going to the Appalachian Trail to do a section of the trail. They've been going and doing a small section of it each time they go. So this time is a little bit longer, I believe. They're hiking a little bit further this time than normal. They're going to be gone for 10 days.
Total, though. That's with the trail.
Yeah, they're going to be gone 10 days. They're hiking for about 7-8 days of the trail. And so while they're gone, we have stuff that we're going to do together since we are home alone. So it's just going to be Dad and the boys hiking. And then Mom rented a house and she is staying with the younger ones. So she is going because the boys would either have to send themselves stuff, which is a lot of work and just...
It makes things hard.
It makes things really hard. So Mom is just going and she's going to drop off their food and things when they need it. So that's why she's going, as well as getting a little vacation for themselves as well. So we have to stay here because we still have cows, chickens, and things to take care of. And paying for animal sitters is crazy expensive. And
plus,
just,
we don't really trust anybody with our animals.
anybody with our animals. So today we are going bowling.
Yeah, we're gonna do some fun stuff.
We're gonna do some really fun stuff while they're gone.
And laser tag.
Oh, and laser tag.
So there's a place near us that's for the first 100 people that show up, you get bowling and laser tag for $9.99 a person. So it's a really good deal because it's Labor Day.
Because we still try to, like, going out, we still want to find the best deals. Alright, so you guys are joining us in this video, and we're going to take you through, like, 10 days of stuff we're going to do.
Oh, you filmed that! You were hoping to get me with a gutter ball! Right. That's sad. Alright, y'all. It's Wednesday, and we're at IKEA. This is like a tradition. We have to walk around. Bailey has to get more aloe plants. And we might grab a couple of other things if we see them, but we'll take you guys with us.
Huh? You probably can somewhere. Oh, that's cute. We can't do that though because... Hey guys, it's Friday the 5th and we are headed off to do some shopping. Maybe some thrift stores, some maybe Marshalls we'll have to see, but maybe...
You can tell them about our key troubles.
When we tried to leave this afternoon, our key didn't work, so we also had to go do that. And we just did, and the battery was dead.
Yeah, we had to stop at a mobile locksmith.
Yeah, the battery was dead in the key fob. That's it. So nothing serious, thankfully. So we're off to do some shopping and maybe some filming in the store. We'll have to see. All right, so we did do some running around and we did stop at a Goodwill and I got this really pretty purple dress and Brooke needed a belt, I think for one of her jean skirts or something. So that's all we got at Goodwill. And like I said, we also did some running around. So that was pretty much it. Hey guys, it's Sunday and today pretty much we're just staying home. I am gonna go mulch the garden and do some garden work, so it's a pretty uneventful day. We got this big pile of mulch and I want to use it, so Turkey's watching me right now. He's like mocking me.
This is a good one. It's also deer resistant and it is a Texas Superstar. And feel free guys to take pictures throughout if you'd like.
better from seed or from transplant?
Perennials, most of the time I go from transplant. It's just easier. Don't have to start up, plus you're not replanting them every year, so it's not really that big of a deal. Next is bee balm, also a perennial. I feel like a lot of people know about this one. A good thing about this one is you can plant it in partial shade. So if you have a spot in your garden that gets some shade. Bailey, what did you just say to me?
That I'm gonna beat you at mini golf.
You're gonna beat me in mini
I'm
golf?
going to annihilate you in mini golf.
We'll see about that.
Isn't the course so cute? They said it has a lot of interactive holes too, which I think is adorable. So like she said, if 17, if you do good on 17 doesn't actually count towards your score. So you can either use it and switch it out with a bad one, or you don't have to count it at all if it's worse than any other hole you've done on the track. So cute and fun. Okay, BA is Bailey, BR is me. The 17th hole counted, we could cross out our worst score and replace it with that if we wanted to. So that's what we did, because it was actually pretty good. Bailey got a 2, I got a 4. So, who do you think won? Let's take a look. Let's see here. Oh, Bailey got 72.
No, that says 12. I got a 12.
Bailey got a 72, and I got 56. Who was gonna slaughter who now?
I got a 12. Look at that, a 12.
That's clearly a 7. You were gonna slaughter who now?
I'm gonna slaughter you.
You wanna talk about how many balls just flew out of bounds? And the one hole that was I got, okay, so this one hole, I got a 1 on, Bailey got an 8. She just kept hitting it back and forth over the hole.
I am not good at sports.
That was so funny when you were hitting it back and forth. You sort of deserved it for saying you were going to annihilate me.
Probably.
Okay. Did you have fun though?
I did, yeah.
So I don't know if Bailey taped anything yesterday. I'm not sure. But yesterday, in case she didn't tape anything, we went to an escape room. That was fun. We actually completed it with a little over a minute left in the time. And I think we used only 3 hints, I think I'm right about that. We only used 3 hints. So that was fun. And then we also went to a local fair, which was sort of a downer. It had just opened, and so there wasn't really a lot to do. So we wound up leaving pretty early and coming home and hanging out after that. But today, Mom and Dad are actually on their way home already. They left at 3 this morning. They'll be home by 7-ish. So today I'm just gonna go drop off some utility bills that are due. I have to go to the low-cost vet that we have here and pick up some stuff that the dogs need. And then I'm also gonna run to a nursery, one of my favorite nurseries. It's Bob Wells in Mineola. Love them. Their plants are amazing. And I need to get an apple tree to plant for fall and a couple of blueberries to plant for fall. And if they have strawberries, I might grab them too. I keep wanting to try planting strawberries in fall, so we'll have to see how that works. So I'm editing this video, and of course I realized that we never actually finished the video. So we did go to Bob Wells. We got an apple tree and 2 blueberry bushes. They will have strawberries, I think they said in October, so I'll go back in October and get those. So we had a great time. We did a lot of fun stuff while Mom and Dad were gone, as well as, we took care of the homestead chores and the house while they were gone, and the animals. We had a great time. We can't wait to do it again. And let me know in the comments what was your favorite part. And I'll leave Mom and Dad's link down below, but fair warning, it is very long, over an hour long. So maybe set aside some time for that one. But if you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button.